Good day, everyone. I am Luis Galeri Takaduan, and we will tackle about the beauty of partnership, where we explore the power of collaborations in the essence of partnership in achieving mutual success. Today, we delve into the world full of dynamic partnerships and the remarkable journey of those who have embraced the beauty of working together towards a common goal. Join us as we discover the insightful lessons and expert perspectives on the transformative impact of partnership. Sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired by the incredible synergy that can be achieved when individuals and organizations join forces. Once again, welcome to Partnership. Before we begin, let us define what is partnership. In Article 1767 Civil Code, by the contract of partnership, two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund, with the intention of dividing profits among themselves. Later on, we will discuss the two types of partnership, the individual-to-individual partnership and the one sole proprietorship and one individual. Let us learn about the individual-to-individual partnership. An individual-to-individual partnership refers to a business arrangement where two individuals come together to start and run a business. In this type of partnership, the individuals share the responsibilities, profits, and liabilities of the business. It's a common form of a business ownership where the partners have equal say in decision making and share in both the risks and rewards of the business.
I am Freya Laurino Sinlay, and today I will discuss to you the kinds of partnership, the general partnership and the limited partnership. A general partnership is a business structure in which two or more individuals manage and operate a business in accordance with the terms and objectives set out in a partnership deed. Each partner is personally liable for the debts and obligations of the partnership. General partners share equally in the liabilities and profits of the business. On the other hand, a limited partnership consists of both general partners and limited partners. General partners are responsible for managing the business and are personally liable for the debts and obligations of the partnership, similar to general partnership. While limited partners, however, are not involved in the day-to-day operations of the business, and their liability is limited to the amount of their investment in the partnership. Limited partners typically have no authority in the management of the business. Overall, general partnerships involves partners who are personally liable for the business debts, while limited partnerships have a mix of general partners with unlimited liability and limited partners with liability limited to the investment. Each type of partnership has its own benefits and consideration, so it's important to choose the one that best fits the needs of the business and its partners.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mary Ann A. Gayao. Today, I will discuss to you examples of one industrial partner and two or more capitalists partners. Two or more capitalists partners. On December 3, 2023, Leah and Mia formed a partnership with cash contribution of 225,000 and 175,000 pesos respectively. What is the entry to record Leah's contribution? What is the entry to record Mia's contribution? When Leah and Mia formed their partnership, they made cash contributions which need to be recorded in the partnership's books. Entry to record Leah's contribution. Date December 3, 2023. Debit cash 225,000 pesos. Credit Leah Capital 225,000 pesos. This entry signifies that the partnership received cash from Leah. Leah's capital account is credited to record her contribution to the partnership. Entry to record Mia's contribution. Date December 3, 2023. Debit cash 175,000 pesos. Credit Mia Capital 175,000 pesos. This entry signifies that the partnership received cash from Mia. Mia's capital account is credited to record her contribution to the partnership. In both entries, the cash account is debited, which increases the partnership's assets. The capital accounts of Leah and Mia are credited, which increases the partnership's equity. This reflects the fact that Leah and Mia have invested their personal funds into the partnership, thereby increasing its assets and equity. One is an industrial partner. On February 14, 2023, Anna and Elsa formed a partnership with the agreement that Anna will contribute 50,000 pesos cash and a freezer worth 10,000 pesos, and that Elsa will contribute only her services for a 30% share in the profit. What is the opening entry for the partnership books? What is the entry to record Elsa's contribution? What is the entry to record Anna's contribution? In the context of accounting, the opening entries of the partnership would be recorded as follows. Entry to record Anna's contribution. Debit cash 50,000 pesos. Debit increases asset account. Debit equipment freezer 10,000 pesos. Credit Anna capital 60,000 pesos. Credit increases equity account. This entry signifies that the partnership received cash and a freezer from Anna, and this increases the partnership's assets. The capital account of Anna is credited to record her contribution to the partnership. Entry to record Elsa's contribution. Since Elsa is contributing only her services, there will be no entry to record her contribution at the formation of the partnership. Services rendered are not recorded as capital in the partnership books unless there is an agreement to that effect and it is not mentioned in the problem. Elsa will get her 30% share in the profit as agreed. The opening entry in the partnership books would look like this. Debit cash 50,000 pesos, debit equipment freezer 10,000 pesos, credit Anna capital 60,000 pesos. This entry signifies contribution of the partners to the partnership. Note that Elsa's contribution is not recorded as she is contributing services, not assets.
Now, let's discuss when an individual joins a sole proprietorship to form a partnership. It signifies a change in the business structures. A partnership is a business owned and operated by two or more individuals, sharing profits, losses, and responsibilities. In this scenario, the sole proprietorship who has initially running a business alone now partners with another individual. In this partnership agreement will outline the terms and conditions of their business relationship, including each partner's roles, responsibilities, profit sharing arrangement, decision-making process, and potential liabilities. By forming a partnership, business may benefit from the combined expertise, resources, and skills of new partner. It can help in expanding the business reach, capacity, and ability to take on larger projects. However, it's essential for both partners to have a clear understanding of the rules and obligations to ensure a successful partnership.
So today, I will give you an example of an individual and a sole proprietorship forming a partnership. John, an individual running a sole proprietorship in the retail sector, decided to form a partnership with his friend Alice. They agreed to merge their businesses and operate as partners moving forward. So John contributes assets valued at 50,000 pesos to the new partnership, while Alice contributes assets valued at 30,000 pesos to the new partnership. When an individual joins a sole proprietorship to form a partnership, the assets contributed by each partner need to be recorded in the books. Here's how the journal entry would be recorded. We debit the assets contributed by John and Alice to increase their respective capital accounts in the partnership. The total value of the assets contributed by both partners is equivalent to 50,000 pesos plus 30,000 pesos is equals to 80,000 pesos is reflected on the credit side of the relevant asset or cash. A quick reminder, remember that it is essential to consult with a financial advisor or an accountant to ensure accurate bookkeeping and compliance with the accounting standard while making such a transition from a sole proprietorship to a partnership.
Thank you, everyone. I hope you have learned something in our discussion today. Let's keep the conversation going and explore new perspectives in the future. Remember, learning is a continuous journey. Thank you all.